Hello, my name is AJ, and I'm going through how to use the Emona Board. So first, you're going to look at a lab and go to this URL, which will take you to the Emona Board site. Then you're going to enter the Net Circuits lab. You're going to hit Start Experiment. You're going to use your username and password. Your username is your NetID, and your password is your RUID. So when you log in, you are going to first change a few of the settings. So the first one is you will need to change the time base to 50 microseconds per division, and then you're going to change these to 4 volts per division. Next, that's it for the setup, but then there's some other options like elasticity, that changes how the wires look. Light and dark, you can change the settings. DC and AC, that changes. So first, to add something to your board, you're going to click select and add something from there. So we're first going to add a binary counter as per the lab, the first lab, and then we are going to choose the 4-bit and the 2-bit. It's on the binary counter to be channel A and channel B. And then we are going to load the XOR gates, which again you click select, and then you choose the module. So then to connect two segments together, you want to click the one, and then click the other one, and then after you have those connected, you're going to take that output of the XOR gate and connect it to the channel C, so that shows that. So you may wish to save this portion. So in order to save, you'd go over here to click save, and then you'd enter the name. I'm just going to put example, hit submit, and then once you do that, you can load it up again at some point. So to load, you click on load, and then if I wanted to load this, I do that. Or if I wanted to load the experiment for the experiment 1, I clicked on that, then here it is. So then, if you wanted to capture it, you would click capture, and then you'd select a location. It's from 1 to 9. I'm going to save this in 1. Save current screenshot to selected slot, so that's done. And then it also wants you to take a screenshot from your computer. So I'm on Windows, so I selected Windows Shift S, and that took a screenshot. Then I saved that and we'll put it in my lab. So that is the basics of how to use them in Emona Emona Board.